Crutchfield's been in business since 1974. Bill Crutchfield started it in his garage, and it has grown exponentially over the years. We're in 2 facilities here in Central Virginia. Each facility is about 120,000 square feet. And we've got 3 Packsize machines at our large items facility. And I have 5 here. Prior to partnering with Packsize, we had manual pack stations. I had 5 to 8 packers handling roughly between 2,500 and 3,000 orders a day. We were kind of at the end of our rope of being able to physically fulfill the orders with manual pick carts, manual pack stations, and the business was growing during that period. And so we were kind of feeling the crossroads meet.
As an enterprise area manager, I'm looking to see where I can help each customer individually, whether it's a customization of adding more machinery or a customization of improving their packaging solution. Crutchfield's initial ask was to dial in a right-sized box and to reduce their overall footprint and waste with using boxes that were too big. We had the opportunity to expand our current solution and bring in automation to ultimately reach that goal. The results have been fantastic. After we installed the X5, they've now been able to exceed 450 boxes an hour, and they have transitioned their workflow as well as their labor force to different parts of the warehouse.
The X5 has been a great platform for us. It makes the box, seals the bottom, and just injects it onto the conveyor. It's a quality of life improvement for the operators. It's an efficiency gain for us. Part of that package is we have an on-site tech. That's been huge. And if you really take into consideration what the machine's doing, it's taking your item dimension and making you a custom box for every order. And it hits the volume, it's fast, the machines are reliable. We're significantly impressed.
The partner approach for this solution is truly a collaboration. We started off very small and really took it to the next level, and we share the same vision together.
The one thing that we really like is that they are out there trying to develop and make better products and really do a good job of listening to the voice of the customer. They've taken customer feedback and made a new machine that makes your life better as an end user. There are other people out here trying to do this, and they can't. We have never had a day that we didn't get all the shipments out. They have literally never let us down. We've been with Packsize since 2013, I believe. So we're looking forward to many more years of having Packsize as one of our key business partners.